There the birds go. Flying around. Strengthening the wings. You got 2 here. Majority of them are there. One on the truck that refuses to fly, and one over in the tree that is also refusing to fly. No matter all my attempts to spook them up, they spook up for a minute, and then they come right back down. There's one. There's the one on the tree goes. Join the rest of them. Right there. Can't keep up because he doesn't fly enough. A little bit of a youngster, but he should be fine. I know he's fine. He just doesn't want to fly. Got the one on the roof. Roof of my truck right there. Trying to spook it. If they can't fly, they're of no use to me.